everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. The mango season is here and of course we all want to try different recipes and dishes made with mangoes. Today I'm going to share a lovely, tangy and delicious dish called Kacche Aam ki Sabji made with raw mangoes and a whole lot of spices. I can't wait to share it with you guys. Let's get started and check it out. So for this recipe I've taken 2 large raw mangoes. You can see the size. And I've just cut it into large pieces with skin. So you don't want to cut the pieces too small because when you cook the mango pieces, they can become very mushy. So first we're going to cook the mango pieces. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and cook the mango pieces. So I've just cooked the pieces for about 5 minutes. So you can see they're nice and tender now. Just remove it from the water and keep it aside. I'm just taking a little bit of this boiled water because I'm going to be using it later. So now I'm going to make a masala paste. For this I've taken 2 tablespoons of freshly ground garlic. Next, to this I'm adding 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 heaped teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Just mix everything together. This masala paste is going to give a lot of flavor to the sabji. I'm just pouring a little bit of the water that I've kept aside. So instead of using just the normal regular water, you can use this water for the masala. Now you can adjust the quantity of garlic and the spice powders according to the quantity of mango pieces you have taken. So the masala paste is done. To a white pan, add about 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. This particular recipe tastes very good if you use mustard oil. Once the pan is heated, add ½ teaspoon of Fenugreek Seeds, 1 teaspoon of Cumin Seeds and 1 teaspoon of Kolanji Seeds. Keeping the flame on medium-low, just roast them first. So you can see the fenugreek seeds are roasted. I'm getting a nice aroma. To this I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of Hing or Asafoetida powder. Gently add in the prepared masala paste. Cook the masala paste for about 3 to 4 minutes till all that raw smell goes. You can maintain the flame on medium-low. Just adding a little bit of this water. So you can see the masala has loosened up beautifully. Next I'm adding 3 green chilli slit. Now add the cooked mango pieces. Now gently start mixing the masala along with the mango pieces. You can see, wow. Just make sure the pieces are beautifully coated with that nice masala. So you can see it's a bit dry. I'm just going to pour a little bit of this cooked water to get a nice gravy consistency. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of powdered jaggery. You can adjust the salt and the sweetness according to the tartness of the mangoes. So jaggery is going to nicely balance it. So you can see the masala has come together very nicely. It's coated all the mango pieces. I'm adding 1 more cup of water to get a nice gravy consistency. So you can see the oil has separated beautifully and the whole sabji has come together very nicely. So finally I'm going to finish off by adding just ½ teaspoon of Fennel Powder. It's just going to enhance the flavors a lot more. Just give that a quick mix. Wow, look at that beautiful raw mango sabji, or as we call it Kacche Aam ki Sabji, is just fabulous. Turn off the stove and the dish is ready to be served nice and hot. This beautiful and delicious and tangy Kacche Aam ki Sabji is done. It's time to enjoy it. As you can see, I am ready with my plate and I'm going to taste this delicious Kacche Aam ki sabji. I'm going to enjoy it with some nice teplas here. You can enjoy it with any roti of your choice. Just look at that. The mango is cooked so beautifully. Mouth is literally watering. Oh. Wow. Fabulous flavors. Well, I love any recipe with mangoes. So I'm just enjoying this lovely tanginess, the sweetness, the spiciness. The balance is just phenomenal. Wow. So you guys can enjoy this summer and make the most of this mango season. So do give this recipe a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.